Hi, in front of me is Doogee S70 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Start by accessing settings, then choose on click on connected devices, click on Bluetooth and tap on the switcher to activate it. Then go into pair new device, wait for available ones to show up and click on the one that you wish to connect to. After that you need to select pair in the pop-up over here and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this gear icon next to the device, choose forget, and now they are disconnected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!